our exams are approaching very fast. We are going to act a play on the life story of our president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This play will show you how the hard work pays in the long run of life. Once upon a time, APJ Abdul Kalam went to school. Hello students, how are you all?
Will you tell us any incident about your life?
Sure, why not? Dear students, I will tell how important hard work is in our life. Okay sir, surely we will listen to it early. I belong to a very poor family, but I become topper in my class.
Is it so, sir?
I wanted to study in good school, but my papa could not afford the school fee.
Then what happened, sir?
I was determined to study there. One day, my papa came to me.
Abdul, if you really want to go in high school, we will manage the fee anyhow, but you do work hard.
Okay, papa, I will do hard for it. Next day, his brother admitted him to that school. Okay, Abdul, do work hard and study well. First day of the school, I was late for the school and I also entered in that one class. May I come in, sir?
Oh, who are you?
I am Abdul. I come from far village.
Which is your class?
I think this is my class.
Oh, you villager guy, you know nothing. You are loser. Go and find your class.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. The teacher insulted him badly. I worked very hard and studied hard. Then their exams came. Teacher distributed all the papers.
Dear students, nobody will cheat or move.
After some days, result was declared.
Dear students, only one of your class got 100 on 100. Do you know who is he? This is Abdul. I am proud of you, Abdul. You worked hard and proved everyone wrong.
Thank you, sir. So, dear students, if I did not work hard after my teacher punishment, I did not get success in my life. So it is very much needed to do success. It is very much needed to do hard work in your life to achieve anything in your life. Thank you.